I've been exploring Credit Saint for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of Credit Saint. Credit Saint is a professional credit repair company that helps people improve their credit scores by finding and disputing errors or inaccuracies on their credit reports. If your credit has suffered because of mistakes or outdated information, their role is to work directly with credit bureaus, and sometimes even with creditors, to get those negative items addressed and possibly removed. When it comes to what they offer, Credit Saint provides 3 different service packages tailored for various credit situations. Unlike some companies that send out generic dispute letters, they prepare personalized ones for each client. You also get access to a real-time online portal where you can track your credit score, follow dispute progress, and view detailed credit analysis reports after each dispute cycle. Every month, you receive a snapshot of your credit situation from all 3 major credit bureaus, and if a creditor insists an item is accurate, they'll send credit intervention letters to push back. They can also help remove unauthorized or fraudulent inquiries, and their customer support is available by phone 7 days a week, with longer hours during weekdays. To top it off, they offer credit education resources on their website and a conditional 90-day money-back guarantee if no negative items are removed, provided you meet all the terms. Of course, no service is perfect, and Credit Saint has its downsides. They cannot guarantee improvements to your credit score. Results vary widely depending on your specific situation. Their services come at a cost, with monthly fees ranging from about $80 to $128, and initial setup fees up to $195 for premium plans. The process takes time, so anyone expecting quick results may be disappointed. Around 1 in 5 online reviews are negative, mostly from customers frustrated by slow progress or refund disputes. Their blog, while educational, isn't updated frequently enough to be highly useful, and unlike some competitors, they don't bundle an identity theft protection. Finally, they can only challenge inaccurate or unverified items, not legitimate negative marks. Speaking from personal experience, I found the onboarding process smooth and communication clear from the start. My assigned consultant was proactive, checking in monthly as promised, and the online portal made it easy to follow each step of the process. After about 2 months, a few questionable items had been successfully removed from my report, although the increase in my credit score was modest. The fees did feel high over time, but I appreciated their honesty in explaining what could and couldn't be done for my situation. Some issues on my report simply couldn't be resolved through credit repair because they were accurate. That said, I found their transparency and responsiveness better than several competitors I've tried. All in all, I'd say Credit Saint is a reputable choice if you need professional help disputing errors on your credit report and you value hands-on customer service. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.